This video, we're going to identify the most appropriate measure of central tendency for the data set. So without performing any calculations, determine which measure of central tendency best represents the graph data. In this case, the mode is the best representation of the data. So the data are at a nominal level of measurement. Can't do any calculations for mean or median because there's just labels there. Without performing any calculations, determine which measure of central tendency best represents the graphical data. So we would say the median is the best representation here because the data are skewed. We would want to use the mean. If the data were normally distributed, then we would go ahead and we would use the mean for the middle. Consumer testing service obtained the mileage in miles per gallon shown in the table to the right in 5 tests. 5 test runs performed with 3 types of compact cars. Complete parts A through C below. So let's look here. The manufacturer of car A wants to advertise that the car performed best in the test. Which measure of central tendency, mean, median, or mode should be used for the claim, and explain. Select the correct answer below, and if necessary, fill in the answer box to complete your choice. So let's compare here the means of these different data sets. Again, you can use Excel or your calculator or whatever. Let's look for means and medians and modes here. So pause the video while you go ahead and do that, and then I will go ahead and tell you what those answers are. All right, the mean should be used for advertising car A. Because car A's mean was 32.2 and is the highest mean of the 3. The manufacturer of car B wants to advertise that its car performed the best in the test. Which measure of central tendency, mean, median, or mode should be used for the claim, and explain. So the median should be used for car B's advertising because its median was 35, which is the highest of the 3 medians. And the manufacturer of car C wants to advertise that its car performed the best in the test. Which measure of central tendency, mean, median, or mode should be used in this claim? They want to use the mode because their mode, the one that happened most often there, was 36, and that's the highest of the 3 modes. So you could have 3 different car companies all making different claims that they performed best in this test because they use different measures of central tendency to report their data. One of them using the mean, one using the median, and one using the mode. That's it for this video. We'll come back next time and start talking about 2.4. See you for the next video.